Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the merchant's spawn window and the regions he favors. This saves hours of blind searching. Equip your fastest traversal gear and set a short route to the likely spawn points, because time of day and weather often trigger his appearance. Once set, leap into the nearest high visibility area and scan markets, docks, and crossroads. Make sure to ping your map markers and leave a breadcrumb path so you can quickly revisit promising spots without backtracking. Move systematically across the map quadrant by quadrant, focusing on landmarks merchants prefer, harbors, crossroads, and caravan routes, because density increases sighting odds. Use sound cues and look for environmental props like merchant tents or lantern trails. They often persist before the merchant arrives. Once done, scout elevated positions to cover more ground and have one teammate bait nearby spawns while another circles. Make sure to log exact timestamps when you see signs to narrow the next search window. When you reach a likely location, approach slowly and minimize hostile triggers. Engaging enemies can scare the merchant off or cause a reset. If he's not there, exit and reset the instance or wait one full in-game cycle and recheck your marked points because spawn timers vary. Troubleshoot by relogging to clear desync, verifying you met spawn conditions like time and weather, and syncing with global event timers. If problems persist, try a different server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.